What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of The Nails Next Door. My name is Darren, as you guys all know, and I am in our 2021 Kia Telluride EX Nightfall Edition. And today I'm going to do a quick DIY project where I change out the auto dimming mirror, because I have the EX version, so it only comes with auto dimming mirror. And I am going to replace it with a HomeLink auto dimming mirror. Now you guys should know, and if you're in the market for a Kia Telluride, the EX model only comes with the auto dimming rear view mirror. If you want to have the one with the HomeLink and the garage door opener, you have to get the SX model. So I didn't know that going into it, but you know, luckily it's an easy 1, 2, 3 fix. You could easily buy your own HomeLink model. I'll actually show you guys the model number if you guys need to get it, which is, I'll let you guys see it right now. So that's the actual model number, the part number that you guys need to get in order to upgrade your mirror. Now, I didn't buy from Kia. I actually bought it from an online store that had very good reviews. I'll actually leave a link in the description below if you guys want to get your hands on it. It was the cheapest I found. It was $230 plus shipping, which was another like 15 bucks. Kia dealership wanted $350, and that's before installation. And installation is literally just a 1, 2, 3 thing. Sorry for sweating, but it's hot out here. Well, humid. So I'm gonna, should only take about 10 to 15 minutes to actually get it done. I'll show you guys how to actually do it yourself. Now, I do want to let you know, this is only for the EX model, because the EX comes with the auto dimming mirror. If you do not have an EX, if you have an S or LX, you do not have an auto dimming mirror, and it's best if you just let the dealership do it, because you can buy it and it does come with all the parts that you need in order to install it if you don't have an auto dimming mirror. But that's going to involve removing parts of the headliner, removing parts of the side panel, and connecting to the fuse box and all that stuff, and it's just going to be a pain. So this is actually going to be something where it's pretty much just plug and play, where I just have to plug in here because it already has the power and all that ran. So what it's going to come down to, it's going to come down to, all right, let me see if I can get it focused. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I have to remove this panel, and then once I remove this panel, I'll be able to take the mirror off. I'll show you guys how we do it, and ideally we'll be back up and running. Now, I really just hate using the garage door opener. I know it sounds a little I guess not privileged or spoiled, but I don't like using this because I feel like if this battery dies, then I have to go inside and all that wonderful stuff, and I feel like dealing with that. So I like to just use these for a just in case scenario. We usually give the garage door openers to like our friends and family that watches the house when we go out of town, so it just makes life easier if they need to get into the house for whatever reason. But I just kind of like it more using in a mirror, and I'll change it now. But let's do this. So this literally just snaps off. I slid it down and then pulled it back. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side, and then I won't be able to, I'll see if I can do it with you guys watching. You know, it is just clips. You can see it right here. You see how this kind of just, I don't know if you guys could actually see that because of the light, but there's just a clip that just kind of slides in and out, and I'll pull it down and we'll go from there. Okay, so this is the piece. I had to take this little part out. All this does is just connects the hole, but it made it easier to come out. Now that we can actually see what's going on here, you're not going to touch this. This is for the lane keep assist and the forward collision warning. You're not going to touch this because that is for, I don't know what that's for, but it's something to, you don't need that. The only thing we're worried about is this guy here. So in order to get to it though, we first have to unscrew this screw, and then we're going to slide it down, and everything's going to be okay. I'll tell you right now, you guys are going to need one of these kind of like drill bits like this, little star looking guys. I don't know what it's called. There you go. So you guys can just look at it, just so you can remove the screw. And once you remove the screw, this should actually just slide down, ideally. Let's see if I'm lying to you guys. Oh, well, slide up. So All right, so it slides up. Now we're hanging. If you guys ever had to replace a rear view mirror, which I had to do on the Optima, you get this little metal shoe mount that's always here. It's glued in. You don't have to worry about that. We'll just kind of keep that where it is. Now all we do is take a little screwdriver to pop out this pin. What you'll do is take the screwdriver and just lift this little guy in here. And it's a little flathead and you just pull it out, or you can use your finger. I mean, it's not too bad, but I'll do that now. All right, so what I did just now is I just snapped the new mirror in. It was a 1, 2, 3 thing. It already has a screw. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it already has a screw in there. So I'm just gonna reuse a screw that came with it. I'll loosen it up, slide it on back onto the mount. And once I slide it back, tighten it up, and then I'll put it back together. And then we'll see what it looks like after that. Well, let's do this. Now that's up there, I screwed it back in. It's nice and tight. The directions actually say to now test it out to kind of just make sure it has power. So we'll turn it on. It has a C because it has to get calibrated for the compass. In order to calibrate, you kind of have to drive and like for a little bit of time, make a couple left turns, make a couple right turns so that I could calibrate. So that's why it has C for now. But we have power. So now I can go ahead and start putting back the cases. It literally should just slide up and everything should be a-okay. So let's do it.